Hello friends, day 46. A fairly easy day today, apart from the end, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. So I started the day by walking down into Middleton-in-Teesdale and had the best mushroom soup I've ever had at the Tees pot. And it was vegan friendly because it used potatoes to thicken it apparently, but it was gorgeous. And I met a couple of other walkers in there. On leaving Middleton, I came across a group of Duke of Edinburgh Award youngsters from Durham. So I called them the Dudes of Durham, and so they're the DOD doing the DOE. We met several times during the day and they seem a great bunch, so good luck with that next time when you're on the real thing. So I said I was going to tell you about the easy bit and the not so easy bit. So the day mostly was just gentle climb up the banks of the River Tees, and it was beautiful. Lots of lovely views and no serious climbs. And then right at the end, just before the reservoir, about a mile before the reservoir, the lovely easy walk turned into an SAS obstacle course. You'll see in some of the pictures, it was difficult to say the least. Anyway, I made it. My room with a view tonight is looking back down the valley that I walked up earlier, just behind the roof of that building over there. So let's take a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. Here are the Dudes of Durham on their DOE training. This was the obstacle course just before the dam.